Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to change currency on British Airways. First, you cannot change the currency for an existing booking. Your Avios Club account currency is based on your country of registration and cannot be changed. For new bookings, the currency is usually based on the departure country for flight exclusive packages or the country of residence you select for other bookings. And that's it. Currency is mostly fixed based on your location and booking type. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.